Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to update the Google Play Store application in your Android tab or Android phone. So you just open Google Play Store, press your profile picture, then go to settings, and settings go to about, and press update Play Store. If there is an update available for the application, you will see it and you will be able to update. In my case here, I cannot update it because it's already done automatically in my device. So you just press understood. This is the last version that was updated in my device. If there is a version available, you will see it and you will be able to update the Google Play Store application. That's what I wanted to share with you today, and see you in my next video.